I can't swim on my own, it's too much.
There's like one left.
Oh, there's correction, there's two. We can both eat one. The balls. Now they look like booty cheeks. I mean, look, okay, now they're balls. They're balls, now they look like booty cheeks. So what do I do? I still love you. Anyone? Make a heart.
Yeah. Nah.
Emo heart. Not that. It's not look like that.
With that thing?
Yeah, that's how Michael makes his heart.
Yeah, what do you want?
Who texted you?
Alex.
Don't be laughing at my skills. I want to eat food.
Yeah, when I said. I said, I'm never gonna leave you. I'll always be here until you don't need me. So I'll always need you. I can't read. I love when you're gonna just stop at that like it did last time. You'll always be the face always.
Alec Palace. Look him up in stock.
Yes, Facebook. Alec Palace.
And Christian Gordon.
No, not him.
No, I just said his name. Cody Hudson.
You'll always.
Taj, you're not. Are you friends with Taj?
No.
Why?
He's stupid.
You was stupid.
I know.
Oh my God! Look at that dude.
You want to watch it?
Yes. We will not wait.
He said, you won't believe who I just walked by at the mall.
I said, who?
It's obviously Justin Bieber.
I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna laugh. It's not.
Jizz in my pants. Oh, skeet. Whoop. Oh God, fat guy. Oh my God, Alec. Alec walked by a fat guy with nachos.
You should have taken him. Should have kicked him.
It was amazing.
Take him.
We should have got his phone number. She's like, hey, fatty, what's up?
No.
What the crap? Dude, I would be so scared if I...
Oh my God. He's trying to eat a cock or something.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna do that in class one day.
Oh,
He's married. No, he's not.
it's a purity man. Maddie, that's something we would do.
Oh my God. He says he can dump. I'm gonna send this to him.
Okay, well, bye. Stranger
Bye.
making faces and noises. Can I make? Whatever. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bosom.